For years, there has been a glaring empty space in Apple's lineup, a ghost in the machine that left the world's most elite careers wondering if they had been forgotten. Before the Mac Studio arrived and brewless power, we saw the Mac Pro evolve into Silicon skyscraper. For years, architects, coders, and the developers who want the ultimate all-in-one experience. The throne has been vacant since the space gray iMac Pro was quietly discontinued, but silence in Cupertino is rarely a sign of surrender. It is usually quiet before a storm. Today, that storm has arrived. After half a decade of whispers, leaked patents, and supply chain mysteries, the beast is back. This is the new Apple iMac Pro, and it is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about desktop computing. If you're watching this, you know the struggle. You want the power of a workstation, but you don't want a tangle of wires and a separate monitor taking up your entire desk. You want the elegance of an iMac. You need the raw, unadulterated power of an ultra-class chip. In waiting for a machine that doesn't force you to choose between sex and performance, the 2026 iMac Pro is not just a return to form. It is a total reimagining of what a passionate workspace looks like. By the end of this, you'll understand why this isn't just an upgrade for the 27-inch model we lost. It is a leap into a future where the computer effectively disappears, leaving only you and your vision. Let's start with the most obvious revolution. Display. For years, 27 inches was the limit. But for the new iMac Pro, Apple has pushed the boundaries to a massive 32-inch 6K Pro Display XDR-grade panel. We are talking about tandem mini LED technology. This isn't just about size. It's about depth. With over 2,000 local dimming zones and peak brightness of 1,600 nits, the blacks are so deep they feel like a void, and the highlights are so bright and mimic the sun. This is the first all-in-one in history that is color accurate enough for Hollywood colorists right out of the box. Imagine adding HDR content with a screen isn't just showing you the image. It's letting you live inside it. But a screen that's powerful needs a heart of fire. Tucked behind the impossibly thin glass is the M5 Ultra. It isn't just a chew. It's a silicon masterpiece. Built on a 2-nanometer process, the M5 Ultra in the iMac Pro features a 32-core CPU and a 128-core GPU. To put that in perspective, this machine can handle more simultaneous streams of 8K ProRes video than most high-end production houses can process on a full server rack. The thermal architecture has been completely redesigned. Using a proprietary silent flow vapor chamber, the iMac Pro proves air through the pilot lattice and exhausts it through the top, keeping the M5 Ultra chilled even when you're rendering a 3D environment or training a massive language model. It does all of this while remaining quieter than human whisper. Now, let's talk about the design language. Apple has moved away from the playful colors of the standard iMac. The Pro returns in a new graphite titanium finish. It's darker, moodier, and built for a professional environment. The bezels have been reduced to a mere 4 mm, creating an infinity edge effect.